This Clinique lipstick set is absolutely stunning. I'm about to review them. Please stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have this gorgeous, beautiful lipstick set. It's called the it's not Color Pop, it's Pop of Color set by Clinique. I got this in a gift set from my husband for Christmas with some other beauty supplies, and I absolutely love it. He picked this up in Macy's, so if you are wondering where you can get this to buy, it's in Macy's. So it comes in 4 shades. They are Cherry Pop, Blush Pop, Nude Pop, and Love Pop. I am trying out the Love Pop one right now, and it is a beautiful shade. I will definitely wear this one. It goes on super smooth, and the formula is so hydrating. It feels so soft and lightweight on the lips. I absolutely love it. I can see myself making full use of these lipsticks, and I'm not really a big fan of lipsticks. Next up is the shade Blush Pop. This is more in my lane because I don't really like loud or bright shades. I don't think they fit me well, so I like to go for the more subtle, natural looking shades like nudes. But this one is so creamy, so beautiful. I can see myself rocking this one as well. Absolutely love this, the Blush Pop. There it is on my hand, the swatch, and that is what it looks like on my lips. Next, I'm gonna move on to the Nude Pop, and before I even open this one, I can tell this is gonna be my favorite because, like I said, I don't like a lot of bright, loud shades on my lips. I don't think they fit me. So look at that swatch. I can tell this is definitely up my alley, and this is gonna be my favorite from the bunch. I can tell without even wearing it. I must also say the shades are super pigmented, because in between shades I tried to wipe them off and it's like they left a stain on my lips. So I can imagine these will be long wearing lipsticks. Look at this shade. What did I tell you? This is absolutely gorgeous. I am certain this is the one I'm gonna wear the most. This is my favorite of them all. I really love this. It is absolutely beautiful. And for the last shade is Cherry Pop. As you can imagine by that name, it is the brightest color in the set, and this is what the swatch looks like. This is definitely not one that I'll be wearing a lot because don't like the bright shades too much, but I'm gonna try it on, show you guys what it looks like, because if you like the bright reds and the bright shades, then this is definitely for you. It goes on beautifully. It's creamy, it's pigmented, it's smooth. The formula is just so good. I will definitely recommend it. I definitely recommend these. So if you're looking for a nice lipstick set, you can get this at Macy's. It's absolutely gorgeous. Love them all, but my favorite is the Nude Pop. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more videos like these. Remember to like and share, leave me a comment, and see you in the next one.